Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am taking a look at the ice cream EA for MT4 available on the MQL5 Marketplace. Right away on the Marketplace page, we can see that this expert advisor is priced at 500 US dollars with rental options available for 1 month at 150 US dollars and 6 months at 400 US dollars. Now, the developer also mentions that only a limited number of copies will be sold, according to what is written here, with pricing scheduled to increase as additional copies are released. Now, this is version 1.0 and the EA comes with 5 activations. According to the developer, the strategy does not use martingale, hedging, or grid trading techniques. Instead, Ice Cream EA is described as a trend-based system that looks to open positions after a trend correction has ended. The developer also states that the EA can open a maximum of 5 orders at any given time. As I continue through the description, the EA is designed to work across a large number of symbols. The developer specifically mentions support for up to 30 currency pairs, along with BTC USD. Another important detail shown here is that each pair has reportedly been tested using 5 years of historical data. Looking at the recommended settings section, the suggested time frame is M15. The developer also provides a list of recommended symbols here, as you can see, including major, minor, and cross-currency pairs as well as Bitcoin. Historical testing mentioned on the page covers the period from 2015 through October 2020 using tick by tick modeling. All right. Now, moving down into the parameters, we can see that the setup is fairly straightforward. There is a magic number setting for trade identification, a comment field for trade annotations, and a risk management section that allows traders to choose between automatic risk-based position sizing or fixed lot sizing. The risk switch parameter determines whether the EA uses calculated risk sizing or a manually defined fixed lot size. This flexibility allows traders to tailor exposure according to their own account management preferences. Now, let us move over to the historical backtest section. When reviewing historical testing performance, I always prefer focusing on consistency and behavior rather than just the final profit number. The developer states that testing was performed using tick-by-tick data, which generally provides a more detailed historical simulation compared to less precise testing methods. From what I can see here, initial deposit was $10,000 and total net profit seems to be over $20,000. This is USD JPY. Here we have XAU USD, $10,000 total initial deposit, and total net profit seems to be over $2 million. All right, but let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how this EA performed over the past month. So we're testing the ice cream EA on GBP USD, one of the recommended pairs, on the recommended time frame being M15, and we are using the every tick data. All right, testing over the past month. All right, so I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, total net profit was just 61 cents. 7 trades we are taking, and out of that 7, 4 we are profitable, giving us a 57.14% win rate. Largest profit was $2.24, largest loss $2.38. Average profit was $1.06, average loss $1.21. So that means that the average risk to reward ratio is bad because the average loss is bigger than the average profit. Now let's go turn on the visual so that we can see this EA in action. Okay. All right. So looking at the historical chart activity, the marketplace description indicates that entries are intended to occur after trend corrections end. Now, as we review the trade history and the chart behavior, we can observe how the EA, seems to be attempting to participate in larger directional movements, right? The EA doesn't seem to be the type to be executing, random trades, okay, and just at any sort of market conditions, right? And based on the information that we saw on the marketplace page, the EA also seems to, be limiting the total number of open trades, even though that from this particular visuals, we are still waiting for the first trade to be executed. But then here on the dashboard, we can see important details here: account number, buy number, sell number, buy fixed lots, buy profit, sell lots, sell profit, max loss, total profit. And here we have current profit, day profit, and all of those, right? Of course, I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions, including trending and ranging periods. Then, as for the historical backtest results, it is important to remember that these are historical testing results only. Okay, future performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spreads, commissions, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization. So overall, the ice cream EA presents itself as a trend following MT4 expert advisor with a relatively simple configuration structure, support for multiple currency pairs, and a focus on entering after trend corrections. So if you are interested in this approach, make sure to conduct your own testing and optimization before considering live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.